Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm doing this no makeup look under 5 minutes. Yeah, under 5 minutes. This is very easy look without foundation, without concealer. Yes, you heard me right, without foundation and without concealer. So the first step I used is the face wash. I've already washed my face using this Good Vibes Rose Hip Deep Cleansing Face Wash. This is amazing. Next I'm going to be using these Good Vibes Rose Hip Radiant Glow Face Serum. This is going to give me a nice subtle glow on my face for that no makeup look. Do you see that glow? And my face feels so soft right now. For the lips, I'm going to be using Vaseline because I love Vaseline. I'm going to be using the tinted moisturizer for this. This is by the brand The One, which is Oriflame. And I'm just going to dot. Then whatever is left on my hand, I'm just gonna rub it in my palm or my fingers and apply it like this. You see how this gave me a foundation wala effect right now, and my skin is glowing because of the serum I used earlier. Next I'm gonna use the Maybelline's Compact and I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. This is how it looks so far. So the next step is optional. I'm using blush right here. I'm just gonna use very little amount of blush. You see that it gives a natural glow to your face. The next step is mascara. I'm going to curl out my lashes first. Next I'm going to be using this Darling Isabel lipstick. This is in the shade Naughty Nude Royalty. So yeah, this is my look so far. You can do this makeup for college, office or Zoom video calls, Zoom online classes are starting from September 1st and I'm so super annoyed. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Till then, stay safe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.